like that when they do that, but no, I don't think anybody is. But what the psychology of a Milwaukee fan is, we can't have nice things. We suck. We never win the big ones. It's what an awful place.
We go right from a static to bridge patrol.
Yeah, they're keeping the stadium filled all season round, and then playoffs come and everyone gets negative. You got to be positive.
Same happens with the Packers.
Yeah, of course.